In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Zendesk, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025. Integrating these two powerful tools can significantly enhance your workflow by enabling seamless communication between your customer support and project management teams. Whether you're new to Jira, Zendesk, or both, I'll guide you through this process with clear and simple instructions. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start in Jira's interface. Look to the left panel of your screen where you'll find an option labeled Apps. Clicking on Apps will reveal an additional option, Explore More Apps. This is where you can find various integrations available for Jira, which is essential for our next steps. In that search field, type Zendesk support for Jira and proceed with installing it. This add-on is what facilitates the integration between Jira and Zendesk, allowing you to bridge the gap between your service desk and development team. The installation process is generally straightforward. However, take your time to ensure you have selected the correct app, as there may be similarly named add-ons. Once the installation is complete, the interface will prompt you to configure this new connection. You'll find a Configure button, click on it to proceed. Configuration is an important step, so be sure to follow the prompts carefully for a smooth integration process. Next, you'll need to enter your Zendesk subdomain into the provided field. This subdomain is part of your Zendesk account URL and is crucial for linking your Zendesk support to your Jira system. Ensure you input the correct subdomain to avoid any connectivity issues in the future. After entering your subdomain, you'll see an option to authenticate. This action verifies and authorizes the connection between your Jira and Zendesk accounts. Authentication is critical for security and data integrity, as it ensures that only authorized users can access the integrated features. Once authentication is successful, you'll be guided through the setup process. This process might involve configuring specific settings to tailor the integration to your needs, such as which data to sync between the two platforms, or how notifications should flow. Finally, follow the detailed instructions provided to complete the connection between Zendesk and Jira. This may include additional configurations and permissions, allowing Jira issues and Zendesk tickets to communicate effortlessly. If all instructions are followed correctly, your integration should be fully operational, empowering your teams to work more collaboratively across platforms. By following these steps, you'll have successfully integrated Jira with Zendesk, creating a unified, efficient workflow between your support and development teams. You should now have a more streamlined process, where customer issues seamlessly make their way to the development team and back, improving both response times and collaboration. Happy integrating!